E don red o for Tinubu as Tinubu no fit pay police people again o. As we dey talk now, they say that the police pensioners, these people don vex, carry flag o come outside for road, come tell Tinubu say make dem pay dem o. E don red for everywhere for inside Nigeria as we dey talk right now. Do you know that it's only in Nigeria that we have SARS in the whole world geographical zone? Only in Nigeria we have SARS. And the people have been asking, what is the meaning of that SARS? Nobody can give an account. Those who claim to be SARS, they say one of our brother don't come outside, they can't give them both high. Don't give them back to back. They didn't say hi. They don't know what they do. Even them will be able, they deny their brother and they do so many things. Okay, my people, I'll go show you now the video. May you watch. Oh yeah, may you quickly watch this video. However, welcome back to Balabas GC. Please share and like this post and make sure say you subscribe to this channel. You are highly welcome. I'm going to show you this video for you to watch and hear waiting this our brother tell those people where they claim say they be sad for inside Nigeria.
The worst illiterates in Nigeria are those who confidently come online and say we are South. What Nigeria cannot do does not exist. In the entire world geography, there is nowhere, anywhere in the world that is called South. Only in Nigeria. Only in Nigeria you will see people doing political jamboline in order to checkmate their fellow Nigerians. The fear of Ndigbo has been existing even before the Nigerian independence. That was why Igbos were massacred in the 1940 riot. Igbos were massacred in the 1950-something riot. Igbos were massacred even before the civil war in the north. Including the last election. Their market are the one born. They are the one being threatened. Even if you look like them, you are. Igbophobia is the reason why South was created. Let's even assume South exists. So it means that the 6th state, which is Delta, I'm included in South. So I'm a South boy. I'm a Delta State boy. But despite that, I'm an Igbo boy in Delta. And when I'm talking of Igbophobia, the worst people that have Igbophobia are even we, the Igbos, in the so-called South. If you go my village now, somebody is somewhere saying, see what Ndigbo they do. I don't want Igbo people to come and live in our village. Because he's afraid of his own people. Fear has crippled you. They say what has not happened have taken man's joy. What has not happened, the fear of what you think say it may happen. Because of that, you are not happy. You can't live in peace with your neighbor. You start suspecting person that do not harm you. You are scared. We in our South Igbos are scared, whether it's Rivers, whether it's Akwa Ibom, whether it's Kogi. We are scared that the Igbos will dominate us. Are they not dominating Nigeria? Are they not dominating Nigeria? Talk less of you, their brothers. Anambra State still produce the best schools in secondary and WAEC and junior secondary. Have Delta produced anyone? Has Rivers produced anyone? What are you afraid of? Are they not dominating? Name how many rich people come from Delta State. Name how many billionaires come from Anambra State. They might not even have the richest person, but yet they have so many people that are doing well. Nowhere on it. Are they not industrialized? If not that Asaba is capital or that Port Harcourt is capital, do we have any other place we can boast of? They have Onitsha, they have Nnewi. They are not the capital, oh. Aba is here in Abia. It's not the capital, oh. Why are you scared of? That I will take your land. The real people that are taking lands are the Fulanis. How many of you are fighting them? Has there been any land they say Igbo people come and grab it from your fear? Because it is fear. It's not like you have evidence. Just fear. Notion. I believe. I've been at the crude oil you think you have in the South Side. How many of the South citizens has an oil well? Even the Igbos have an oil well. The so-called Southeast. But how many of us in the South Side has an oil well? You are scared they will come and take all of it. How many of you have benefited from the oil? How many of you in the South Side? Where in Anyoma, Ukwane, Eka, Ewanke, where in Ikwere, Itachi, Undoki, that is developed because their son has an oil well or because they have an oil well? Where? I've been at Bayelsa. But you are afraid. You are having Igbophobia. You are afraid of your own people. See if you are not. You don't know that one of the reasons why they are trying to make you not to believe that you are Igbo is because once Igbo become the major tribe in Nigeria, it will be easier to dismiss other people. When I was in school, I said the North is united. That is true. But the northern youths does not have the strength to push their government for good governance. If not, they have the highest number of people that have ruled Nigeria. Yet they are still not developed. Yes, forget the presidency. If the Igbo youths are united, we don't even need to be a president. We can push our state governors to do the right thing. But we are even divided among us. In River State, you are divided. In Delta, you are divided. In Bayelsa, you are Delta. This one say no Bibo. This one say Bibo. This one say Abijo. This one say don't call us South. This one say call us Niger Delta. How can you speak with one voice to demand good governance from your governors? This is the reason why people like us are preaching. Stop being afraid. Be a lion. Even though I know that all fingers are not equal. Not everybody will have the boldness. Even in a family, not all child behave the same. Some of you are Igbos, but you are behaving as if you are not Igbo, because the Igbos we know are very aggressive, bold, and don't deny their identity. I'm out of here, Joe.
My wonderful people, you don't read though. Okay, I'm going to show you this video coming from Nigeria police as they don't stand. They ask the government to give them something because it be like say the government never give them something for a very long time. As it be for this country now, if you never understand wetin dey go on, that means say you still dey sleep. You better wake up o. In fact, you remember when they go sell una very soon, they go bring photocopy come for now. Una go understand wetin I dey talk very soon. However, I will get message wey wan send give Justice Bintayako. They said that the Igbo youth don't send a message come tell una say that Justice Bintayako and the Tinubu should take immediate action to make sure say they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally, because this water wey they try make it fall. When e go fall, e go beat everybody. Say this one no go be as usual wey they do, and nothing go happen. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu freedom is not negotiable with anybody, and the Biafra is also not negotiable. My people, na so e be. So I'm going to play the video. May you see Nigeria police, e don red for that side. You see, if you want to fight corruption, you must start it with your policemen, your military men, your air force, your navy, your all the force you have, the security, the road, the care, the fire service. You must start it with this official. You must start it with those people. One, you must make sure say you pay them. But Nigeria lack all those things, which is Nigeria is never a country. This is one thing. And these policemen are wasting their life every day. You know how many policemen that is spying, army that is spying every day for inside Nigeria because they defend wetin they no know. Now the worst thing will happen to a man when you wake up and you want to defend wetin you no know. Some of them now, when you talk Biafra, say wetin be Biafra. Ask them what is your reason why you don't want Biafra to come. They will not give you any reason. I have made this argument many times, and I stopped making it because when you are making argument with people that not knowledge, with people that are not educated, with fools, you understand that even yourself you look like a fool. When you ask them, okay, why you don't want Biafra to come? Tell me one reason. They have nothing to tell you. And this is the same thing with military men. The same thing, they say they are keeping peace. They are keeping unity of Nigeria. Which unity are you keeping? Are you going to protect what your father created? Are you protecting what the white man imposed on us? So the earlier better all of us understand this and start thinking how to build our own home, our own nation is better for us. Guy, I hope this video share the video and make sure say you subscribe to this channel. Thank you.